So, have you ever thought about working on someone's neck when they're seated? Oftentimes, what happens is when they lay down, the superficial tension, platysma, SCM, some of the hyoid muscles, that tension kind of drops back into the background, and what really needs assistance is the superficial tension. My name is Lisa Hammett, and this is my YouTube channel where I'm helping body workers get better results through assessment, body mechanics, and self-care. So maybe I can move it up a little bit. But one of the reasons that I have my camera back so far is it's not about what my hands are doing, it's about what my body's doing. So if I'm gonna come to the neck here, I'm actually gonna use my rocking stance, lunging rocking stance from Master Mechanics, and then bring the tissue. My body rises. Now I'm supported. And then probably most of you know adding movement can really help, but I do it in a slightly different way. I'm gonna have her push gently in her left foot so I can feel it come to my hand, pull in the left hand, and then turn your head to the right. And then I can come over. Then I can work those superficial layers of the SCM. Okay, gently relax. Checking in with myself, connecting with myself first. I was working with somebody who's mentoring with me the other day, and they would look down and they would flex and they would put their hands on their client gently, but their body wasn't really in a position to be able to feel where the important tension was. So opening, peeling on, listening. I'm not pushing, I'm pouring my weight. Over to the other side, listening, kind of listening to the relationship, and then I can also spread the shoulders a little bit through the trapezius. But this all comes from how I'm using my body. And in Aston, our lunge comes from a hip hinge, and then the foot goes back, instead of a big long stance and we're working here. I'm not supported here. I'm not supported through the middle of the earth. I'm not supported through the middle of my body. And your clients can feel the difference.
You still want my right foot down?
Yeah, and then go ahead and relax. Okay, so more on YouTube for body mechanics, Aston mechanics, you know, the mechanics, the body mechanics that you wish you would have learned sooner. And if you go to lisahammett.com, you can get an article about accessing the power of the ground, which was really a first place that I started to be able to have any career at all back 34 years ago, and what still allows me to have a meaningful career now and offer meaningful work for my clients.